it's me again, Nikki, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve this fresh or my go-to makeup look. Usually, mauni akong buhaton if na ako'y dance practice, laag, or kanang mag-grocery ko. So if you wanna know how I did this look, let's get started. So as you can see, bago kong ligo, so before I apply any makeup on my face, I use the Maxi-Peel facial cleanser to tone my face, and to moisturize my face as well, I use two products. First is IWhite Korea Aqua Moisturizer, and also Aloe Vera face mist from Skinlab. So any moisturizer nga inyong gigamit will do, or any of these two products will do, as long as it keeps your face hydrated. And also, since init man kayo diri sa Philippines, I make sure to apply sunscreen, and this is from Face Republic Super Sunscreen Gel with SPF 50. So let's go ahead and apply this. And by the way, I'm just using my bare hands. Don't worry, nag-alcohol na ko. Okay. And to add another UV protection, so I'm using this natural white from Olay. Mura go-to makeup look na sa din ako. So usually, kung mga dinalian, kamot ra jud akong gamiton. Di ko magamit og sponge, makeup brushes. Okay. Alright, there you go. Next na kong buhaton is to cover my dark circles and kani nga eye bags, stubborn eye bags as well. So I'm using two concealers for my eyes, and these are from Maybelline. The first one that I applied is this Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It has medium to full coverage. And the second one is this one right here, just to lighten my dark circles. So let's go ahead and apply this. If na-notice ninyo, wala to ang murag sponge. So ako siyang gi-remove kay di man siya malabhan. So ani na lang ako. So basically, akong gibutangan og concealer ang katong na mga dark spots. Kana sila. Mga redness sa akong na. See the difference? So mo ni ang na-blend na nga concealer, o ang kani ang wala pa na-blend na concealer. So as you can see, medium to full coverage jud siya, na tabunan niya ang redness sa akong eyelid o ang dark circles sad nako. Pero ang eye bags na agihapon, di na siya mawa. Pinaghirapan natin yan, mga beshi. concealer sa atong eye bags sa eyelid para light, just to lighten. To give extra coverage para mas light ang atong dark circle. Okay, so muna ni atong now with concealers. Next is this EB Advanced Lip and Cheek Tint. So ako ni siyang gamiton as my blush on para fresh. So there you go, nanatay blush on using the Maybelline lip and cheek tint. So let's go ahead and mattify our face, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder foundation. Tap lang para dili mapapa ang mga product nga atong gi-apply. By the way, kani nga powder foundation, naasad niya siya coverage. So, and it will also set everything. See, ni-mattify siya. Kani ni matte na pa shine or glossy pa ang dali nga side. So, let's apply this product all over my next is Olay. And I'm using this EtudeHouse Eyebrow Pencil, and this is in the shade number 3. So next, para in place mga atong eyebrows, so I will be using this Nichido Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Brunette. Let's curl our eyelashes with so dili lang ta mag-apply og mascara. Let's put another blush from Shawill. So this is the finished look. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I have a new video. Don't worry, I will be listing all the products that I've used on this tutorial down below on the description box for your reference. So thank you so much for your time, guys. You have a great day. Ciao!